Now next is uh, so this is the first job thing that we have where someone is looking for entry level cybersecurity engineers in Bangalore. Right here you can see it's a freshers job and it's in Bangalore. And freshers, those who are in college, digital security, who are interested, you can do. And if you want to apply, here is the link. You can see I can drop this link into the chat box. You just check out this URL if you want to apply for as a fresher, right? Which is Bangalore. Now, the next job that we have is for SOC analyst, right? There's a lot of opening for the SOC analyst. If you want to learn, you can check out viehgroup.com/SOC. If you want to learn about SOC, just check out this URL because there's a lot of job openings right now. And it's an internship on site, which is in Jaipur. 6 month internship, and this is actually BCA, MCA, B, and BTech. This is contact number. This is the mail ID, right, on which you can drop your resume. And probably if you're not getting response, you can call on this number. This is the support number that they have, right? So this is what you can do, right? Now the next one is basically as a VAPT analyst. It want BTech, B, computer science, information security expert. Certification anyone will work. You should have either OSCP, CH, any science based or certified reverse engineer analyst. 2 years of experience is required. So I will consider this for freshers itself, but again, you need to look for right. So description is you need to perform pen testing, vulnerability assessment for web and mobile. Source code review knowledge is important. Malware and threat is important knowledge in all those things. Precision avoid and like it's a kind of threat detection and response. And you need to do VAPT as well. Vulnerability pen testing, which is specifically for the web and app, right? This is mail ID sanjuk@viamtech.com, right? Now next is basically in Dr. CVS Cybersecurity Services LLP. They are hiring for uh, cybersecurity analyst, which is in Jaipur, and this is the form URL you can apply. Right. Now next is pen testing job, which is in Jeddah. Where is Jeddah? Jeddah, on site. 1 to 2 years of experience is required. I guess it's in Dubai or somewhere else. All the certifications we require. They want to hire urgently. Okay, for a pen, they're hiring for a pen tester, which is Saudi Arabia. And guys, budget is 40K Saudi Arabia rupees into 15K, right? The other job roles you need to do. 1 to 2 years of experience required. This is mail ID. M Mohsen at cyberlive.tech and 1 month of notice period. Right. The next one is in Powai, Mumbai. Cybersecurity training is a position. Company is Avenue E-commerce Limited, which is a DMart ready. 0 to 1 years of experience is required. What you bring? There are things you need to bring. Khushi.bhati@dmartindia.com is the mail on which you need to drop the resume. Application for cybersecurity training. This is what you need to put in into the subject line and provide it. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for joining this live. So this is Discord URL you can join if you want to learn about SOC. इसमें job काफी सारे हैं, so you can check out this URL and Cyber Coffee YouTube channel that we have. हिंदी में कुछ सीखना है, you can join that one. Right. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for joining this live. So have a great day. Jai.